Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the screen protector. What I have here is the one for the newest iPhone 16. So this is by the amFilm company, and here's a little bit of specs: scratch resistant, 9H hardness, zero bubbles, ultra clear. And here on the back, here is pretty much how to put it on. So they're saying it's very easy. I never ended up using this screen protector. I did end up trying quite a few different ones, but this does seem pretty easy. I finally wanted to try it. So let's unbox it. Let's see what comes inside. I believe I did end up getting the 2-pack, including the screen protector and also the lens protector. So let's open this. And then of course, we'll end up putting this on my iPhone 16. I definitely want to protect that screen. So here we go with the box. Let's pull everything out. So there's quite a lot of stuff. Let's put that on the side here. All right, so let's start with the contents of the box. It does come with the 2 dust removal covers. Now, I ended up using quite a lot of screen protectors. They usually come with the small sticker where you have to put it on and off. So this is really nice. This will cover the full screen of the phone. Next, we do have 2 lens protectors. All right, next, we do have screen protectors. I'll show one of these. I'll put the other one on the side. Hopefully, I do a good job at the first one so I don't have to do it. Then we have kind of like a squeegee. If we do end up having some bubbles, so we're going to end up using this. Hopefully, we won't even have any bubbles, but we'll see. All right, so here we go with the screen protector. It definitely looks pretty cool. I'm super excited to put this on. This is definitely something different. I never ended up using anything like this. But before we do that, we gotta prepare our phone for the installation. So here is those dust removal stickers I was talking about. Kind of funny, they ended up including the full one and the small ones. So we'll put them on the side. And then we have the little, let's see, we have the little cloth here. And then we have the wet wipe. And I almost forgot to mention, it also does come with the little installation guide. So I'm definitely going to follow this and hopefully we get some good results. All right, so the first step, use the wet wipe. Make sure you do all the corners as well. All right, once we have that, of course, end up using the little cloth that came included. And always make sure you hold the phone by the sides. Don't put your fingers on the screen. That's very, very important. All right, next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up using this big cover dust removal. So the way this works is just peel it off, then basically just put it on top of your phone. All right, now before we peel this off, because once I peel it, I'm gonna put on the screen protector. So here is the first step. So you're gonna hold it in your hands here. Here is the little tab where it says number 1. So we're gonna peel that off and then we're gonna put it on our iPhone 16. This is the top. So this is gonna go fast. So hopefully, all right, so we have that peeled off. Let's put that on the side. Next, we're gonna peel off the inside here. And now we're just gonna put it on top. All right, now that that's on top, all you have to do is just kind of put your finger all the way. And finally, all we have to do is just remove it. Now let's check. Let's turn off the screen. So here we do have a little bubble here. So we're gonna end up using this little squeegee that came with it. So all you have to do is just kind of push the bubbles to the edge. All right, so I just finished. I did have one bubble here. I ended up using the squeegee slowly to push the air out of it. So you're gonna push that to the sides. But other than that, it looks perfect. Now, finally, what we're gonna do is take the little wet wipe that came and just give it a final clean just to make sure there's no more bubbles. And now let's use the cloth. All right, here we go, the final results. And as you guys can see, there is zero bubbles. It looks perfect. Absolutely love the screen protector. Now, when it comes to the lenses, let's see if we can do the kind of same thing with these. Let's see. Just clean the lenses a little bit. And basically, the lenses is all you have to do. Is just kind of peel it off. Hold it by the edges and then basically just attach it to the back. And just like that, we have the lens protector on, and of course we have the screen protector on. Best of all, we still have one screen protector left, so I'm definitely gonna keep this inside the box if I do end up needing it. But this was very fast, very easy, and I would definitely recommend this. Thank you guys for watching.